5 years ago, John was forced to put his mother in a nursing home. John is aware of the financial and emotional distress this caused his family and how devastating this was to his mom's savings. At 52, John and his wife Sally both decided to apply for long-term care insurance while they were still in fairly good health. John's application was accepted, but to Sally's dismay, she was declined because she was taking anxiety medication and had been diagnosed with sleep apnea. Their agent told them he was very sorry, but he knew of no other options. Later at work, John talked with his colleague, Bob, who was also declined for long-term care insurance. John told Bob about Sally's situation and the anxiety and frustration it had caused. To John's surprise, Bob did not share the same anxiety and frustration. His problem had been solved by working with a certified senior solutions specialist. John and Sally called certified senior solutions specialists and discovered that there really were reasonable alternatives to long-term care insurance for those who had been declined for LTCI. After working with a solutions professional, Sally was able to qualify for a special plan that covered over 70% of the conditions that cause long-term care claims. They discovered that in some ways, this critical care plan was even better than LTCI because it paid cash upon diagnosis of those conditions, and the cash could be used for anything they needed. In addition, the senior solutions specialist also introduced John and Sally to something that was not insurance, but would allow them to get quality home care at a dramatic discount even if they never made a claim. Thanks to the CSSS professional, John and Sally now rest peacefully at night, knowing they have a plan.
What's your plan for long-term care? Certified Senior Solutions Specialist can help. Even if you don't qualify for long-term care insurance, you may qualify for a new special critical illness policy that pays cash for conditions that cause most long-term care insurance claims.